Come test drive this 2020 Ford Fusion. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.